I'm Lori Fangio, and I'm bringing you a recipe for a chicken dinner with only a few ingredients. I know making dinner for your family can be a challenge, coming up with something new to serve them. So I want to show you what I like to make. It's an Italian dinner made with chicken, orzo, fresh vegetables. It's going to be simple and delicious. Let's get started by adding about 1.5 cups of orzo pasta to a glass baking dish. Next, layer on the vegetables. I'm using red and green peppers and onions, but you can use whatever you have in your refrigerator. And I want to add some chicken tenders. And I'm going to add red sauce. I'm using some that I've made myself, but you can use a canned sauce, whatever you like. I'm just spooning it on top of the chicken. This is going to give the chicken great flavor. And finally, a can of chicken broth. A little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And the very last thing I'm going to do is cover it very tightly with foil. I'll put this into the oven set to 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And when it comes out, you're going to have a simple, tasty chicken dinner.